This is going to be the elevator in 50s building number 2 at the Pop Century Resort at Disney, Lake Buena Vista, Florida.
50s building number 2.
There's Adam over there. There's Riley over there.
Fan 8150. Over here.
Oh, over here. Yeah, I always forget. They're in the middle.
Otis obviously has a contract.
Yeah, but it is interesting Fujitec actually installed these.
You know, I think someone's coming in. Coming up.
Thank you.
What floor?
3. Sorry, guys.
All those buttons are the same.
Yep.
But call cancel.
But the call cancel, yeah. Here we go.
Oh, where to?
Going up? Oh, okay.
I guess they don't have service elevators here.
Well, a lot of these exterior
ones,
corridor
yeah.
places don't. I think only the deluxe resorts do. Have a nice day, sir.
too.
Hope we aren't making you too uncomfortable or just riding.
First time I've been on camera.
I love
wasn't
these
on camera.
clicky Series 2 buttons.
Same. Especially when they're non-California coded.
Here on 4. I want to get a view up here.
Okay.
That's the interlock. And up here, you can get, oh dang it, I hope to get a view and it's locked. Oh well.
Sucks.
Lantern doesn't light up. We'll just, if you don't mind, we'll just ride this one and go,
Okay.
cause yeah, I want to try to get some of the elevators in at least one of the buildings on the other side of the property.
There's a fly in here.
Yep.
Wait, excuse me, that's a ladybug.
Here on
I got a
1.
ladybug right with us.
Yeah. And there it goes. That's it.